Welcome to Infinite Cloud AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AWS account. First, navigate to the AWS homepage at aws.amazon.com. Click Create an AWS account button. Enter your email address and create an account name. AWS will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and enter your verification code. Create the root user password. You can choose between a personal or a business account for the account type, and fill your contact information. Enter your payment information. AWS offers a free tier, but if you exceed the limit of the free tier, you will be charged based on usage. Next, confirm your identity using your phone. Enter the verification code you received. Choose the basic support type, which is free. Congratulations, you have successfully created an AWS account. Now you can log in as a root user, using your root user email and password. Now you are logged into the AWS Management Console, where you can start exploring the many services offered by AWS. Thanks for watching today's video of how to create an AWS account. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Infinite Cloud AI.